Hello again. It's me, Carla. It's nice to have you here listening to our easy and short stories based on specific grammar rules such as simple tense, continuous forms, adjectives, conjunctions, etc. Our purpose in making these kinds of topics is to show our listeners some easiest ways about how to speak and narrate stories, and to answer the questions through certain topics, as well as teaching how to use grammar rules in any topic. There are many reading and listening topics, as well as quizzes for our learners who want to test themselves on our website according to many levels. Let me introduce my partner Jaehyun to you once again. I think most of you already know who he is. He lives in Baku, the capital of Azerbaijan, and teaching English based on speaking for more than 4 years. Hello, Jaehyun. How's it going? I hope you're doing fine. Do you have a story to tell us today?
Hello, my dear Carla. Yeah, I am doing fine today. Actually, I have been sick for 3 days. But today, I'm feeling okay. I made a story which I specifically use and stress simple past tense form during listening part. If everyone is ready, let's listen to the story. This is a story of mine that happened 3 years ago on December 26, 2017. It was very cold outside and snowing. I woke up very earlier that day than ever. It was around 9 o'clock in the morning when I woke up. As always, my mother was doing household chores in the house. My father was about to leave the house to go to work. My younger brother was already at school. You might ask me what work I was doing at that time. I was working as an English teacher, but I was absent on that day from the academy because I had many important things to complete outside. So I immediately got out of my bed, washed my face and brushed my teeth. When I went into the kitchen, I saw my mother was cooking food for lunch. I slightly opened the refrigerator and took the cheese, butter, and olive out of it. When I just started doing my breakfast, she asked why I didn't go to work today. So I explained to her that I had very important business outside at 3 o'clock today. Why did you just wake up early then? She asked. I told her that I am used to waking up early every day. That's why I couldn't sleep longer. Then what's your plan till 3 o'clock? She asked. I said I have no plan till 3. Just a few minutes later, I asked her to come out with me. She could just take fresh air and relax. She said, but I have to prepare the lunch for you and your brother. I told her I will order food for my brother so you can relax and enjoy the day. We really did it. When we walked around for approximately an hour, I saw how happy she was. Because she doesn't actually go outside very often. Therefore, I think that was the reason why she was looking very happy. She even took some pictures around the Christmas tree. She did the shopping and bought 2 long skirts and a shoe for herself. She couldn't buy a coat because we didn't get enough money before we left the house. At the end of the shopping, she and I were starving. We decided to eat lunch in a restaurant. When we got inside, there were many customers in it. We couldn't find anything interesting to eat on the menu. So we asked the waiter to bring us pizza, salad, and fruit juice. When we were about to start eating, she saw her classmate eating together with her husband. They both recognized each other. Mom invited them to join us. They gladly accepted it. She and her classmate told each other how dramatically they have changed. They were both happy seeing each other after all long years. When we arrived home, she was still joyful and satisfied with her day. She thanked me a lot for such a great day.
Thank you, Jaehyun, for your story. I hope it will be very useful for our listeners. See you in our next listening episode.